should working. Yes or no? Should be good. All right. Just double check. Oh yeah. Good morning, everybody. This is AK, Crazy Russian, with DCCTRAIN LLC, Model Train Store in Cincinnati, Ohio. Just a little bit late, guys, because I tried to prepare all cool stuff, but just bear with me. So, after previous broadcast, I got a lot of questions. That can be addressed to the really beginners with DCC or guys who actually using DCC systems for years. That's brand new. I have a little bit something on my nose, so sorry about that. This is new full package Pi-Sprog. Hello from Moscow, game. Wow. If you have questions, guys, the rules are I will answer. If it's a related question, I'll try to answer during the presentation. If it's not, I'm glad to answer too. Just write them down. So I just keep my brain like straight, following the the procedure of the presentation. Also, if you'd like to watch my videos, new videos on my new cooking channel, it's I'll just type it here. It's AK Boost Barbecue. Okay, this channel in English, and I'm mostly I will cook. I already did like old Soviet Union, Soviet Union Republic. If I'm talking about like Russian food, no, it's like the whole sheboing. All right, I'm doing on that channel. Usually live broadcasts. It depends. Summer coming, it will be like spring. It's kind of cold right now. Usually it's outdoor on open fire. So let's get started. Pi-Sprog full package. I got it last week, I think. Yes, or right. So full package contain, if you're not familiar with Sprog, it's computer interface working of Windows and Mac operating system, and it's using computer, partially hardware and software as a actually usually an operating system, and integrates with the hardware, and your hardware becoming as a digital system. So in this case, we have the on top already assemble it. Okay, not big deal. I'll explain it right now. So on top here, that's the Sprog, Pi-Sprog. Sorry for terminology, I'm maybe messing around. And this is BlackBerry 3. Let me take that image card. So we need to show it. So that's BlackBerry Pi 3 with the wireless built-in. I think that's antenna someplace. Yeah, I think so. And it's just a little bit different than Pi 2. You can find tons of information on YouTube and different channels about Raspberry Pi, right? So I'm focusing on the package today. The plan is I'll show you everything real quick, then I'll show you how I'm connecting my phone. Actually, okay, it will be on the screen capturing, all right? And I'm using WiThrottle. We'll go to our website and I'll show you how it looks like. And theoretically, I have only one right now, but you can order and I'll get it. There is no really package right now because Pi-Sprog, I'll show you on our channel more closely, coming with the package. This one I got like as a pretty much demo because we really want to show you guys with Mr. Bill from Sprog USA. So let's get started. One more time, it's coming with just two packages right now. Let me get rid of my face because it's absolutely not necessary. All right. So the top board is PI unit, PiSprog, and the bottom again it's Raspberry Pi 3. What you need to do, you just need to assemble everything and put those separation guys, plastic guys, and that's it. So the standard BlackBerry Pi 3 has an Ethernet port, 4 USB device ports. I'm not sure it's USB 2 or 3, but in that case it really doesn't matter because only you're going to connect like keyboard or something else. There is like sort of VGA audio output, I think, but an HDMI and the power that mini USB, I think that's what it is. All right, so you simply assemble it. Package contain that SD card image because it's running off the Linux operating system. So there are three. Actually, let me put my face so it will be more informative looking at my eyes. So there are three different images. One image is I call it like running software image. Okay, so you can run with multiple throttles. Two different images. One image for programming using VNC viewer through a computer. If you're using Mac operating system, I have Windows on this, but I'm kind of on Mac, 95%. And the third image is same programming image, but with a availability to connect display touchscreen through the. That's not sure. I just learning about it through the display port. You know, small LCD monitors, or touchscreen actually, or HDMI. I'm hoping the HDMI because I can hook up the monitor and keyboard and just using it for programming purposes. Very simple and easy connection. Okay, hopefully that's clear. So with the package, you getting image. And actually, we go to the website right now because it will be easy, guys, to show you. So I'm still here on the screen. That's good. If unfortunately with the latest version or whatever, something happened with I cannot display the mouse, but it's not a big deal. I just commented on this for you. Okay, so you're typing Sprog at DCCTRAIN.com, searching for Sprog. Okay, all right, and you getting this. I tried to update. Yeah, actually those videos updated. This one for sure, wireless camera in an N-scale locomotive. So that's what we need. This is all Sprog product. From the bottom, those just two Sprog different units, booster. Okay, this is Sprog PI package, PiSprog One package, meaning you just getting that top board. Okay. And higher, it's PiSprog One full system. I said like full package in the presentation, but that's okay. Full, did I? Oh no, I put like full system. I'm good. And so you probably see like I highlighted. That's the cost $135.99. That's what you're getting. All right. That's what I'm presenting right now, and that on top it's a micro SD card with an adapter, okay, with the image already in. If you want 3 different images, you have to purchase like 3 different cards because you need to swap them when the system booting. All right, so I hope they're clear about that. Again, you can purchase today. I will probably ship you in a week. All right. I have one package, like PiSprog One package, one inventory right now. I just put it here because I have it as a display. All right. Of course, we have tons of Sprogs, regular Sprogs. So we're good on this, correct? Let me know if you guys have questions right now. We're going back to our Logitech camera, okay? And somehow I moved to different location. No, here I go. Because lately I will capture the screen of my phone, okay? And we run that beautiful Spirit of Cincinnati on display like I did on, what's the name? That rolling stand, on that rolling stand, like I did with refrigerator car. All right, cool. So we got some viewers today. That's good. Continue. So package has full system. Let me get off my face because it's absolutely not necessary. We need more space for other stuff. So package contain a Raspberry Pi. Sometimes I'm calling Blueberry, whatever. Raspberry Pi 3 wireless. Excuse me. Okay, the board just in a separate package. This is a original, just sitting like in an anti-static bag. You're getting card, adapter, all right, power supply for the Pi 3 Raspberry Pi, okay, and the main power supply. In documentation, it says 2.5 amps. Actually, the power supply here is 3 amps. So both of those units will take some juice, of course, but I don't think it's really half an amp. So let's assume it will be around 3 amps. So you can easily run a huge N-scale layout. Let me put my face back. Like huge N-scale layout. 3 amps. Okay, 3 amps. 2.5 amps. Still huge. A lot of power. And decent size of HO layout. Probably like simultaneously 4 or 5 locomotives easily, with the sound and everything, no problem. But you can put booster, okay, Sprog booster. All right. Now, let's hook it up and start messing around with this. Okay, you guys have questions, you can type them. Maybe it's too much, I don't know. Maybe it's too overwhelming. But, oh, one more comment, and I'll start messing around. Actually, I can comment right now. If you programmer, if you're doing programming for a living, you don't need this, unless you don't want to spend I don't know, maybe like half an hour to figure out what you need here, image, and build it, okay? Or spend whatever it is, $14 on it. It's already pre-built. Or maybe you can get one and build the rest. It's just my advice, okay? Not worth it for me, for my time, unless it's really fun for you, okay? So you just want to do some advanced project. That's project for you. Other than that, it's worth $15, believe me. Worth of your time, all right? So let's put everything together. Now, because we don't need the box anymore, in this space I will put image of the phone, okay? So we're connecting our okay, because I want to connect everything, then I plug it in. That's kind of my rules. So I'm not touching everything when it's already powered, right? So I'm connecting the power supply here. Okay, the output, actually I will turn it this way for you guys so you can see the light. I'll show you how it's booting up. And so everything again pre-programmed for you. Okay, we'll put a card right now. The nice part of that new Raspberry Pi 3, there is no locking mechanism. It has a spring inside, kind of better holding the mini SD card, but it doesn't have the click, which is sometimes clicking, sometimes not clicking, and this is much easier and more reliable holder for the card, the reader or whatever you call it. Okay, we'll connect our power supply, and actually guys, I'm going to move it out a little bit one more time. I'm connecting that power supply. Okay, because we need a space for the engine probably here, and on the right side will be image of the image of our, yeah, you barely probably can see it. No, you probably can see something. I'll just leave it for you for some time so you can see it. Okay. You probably can build a box. You can make something portable. You know, if we're going to use it for mostly for three different purposes, mostly for presentation. Yes, and I probably built like a sort of kind of box. So what I need to, the box will be probably just covering all those items, the size almost of the unit. So I need to be keeping that open slot for the mini SD card. Definitely I'll just keep open this area for HDMI port, power supply. Not sure what I'm going with the audio RCA output. It's kind of mini jack, but it's XRCA. Okay, and the rest I want to cover, because if something landed here, some metal, I don't know what's going to happen with this. Probably not good. Yeah, definitely opening this area for Ethernet port and USB plugs. When I fire it up, guys, I'll just turn it this way for you, I guess, so you can see how it's booting up. Yeah. All right. Let's. I'm not putting stand right now. We'll do it later. So let me start the phone. And it's already preset for the wireless network. So as soon as the system boots up, right? And actually I'm going to plug the BlackBerry power supply, Raspberry. See, I'm calling BlackBerry. So right there, the red lights indicates the power, and it starts booting up. You probably can see it. Small LEDs, surface mount LEDs here. Okay. Booting up. And already has a network. It's called PiSprog-Pi3. Okay. And the password including in the paper of your package. Since I already add that code, the password for the network, so I'm cool because it's remembering. Right now I'm plugging those output will be hot, so I definitely don't wanna messing around with this. I will put my stand. Bear with me a second. Okay. Sometimes live shows is cool, but you need to wait. Everything what be patient what presenter doing. All right, we'll just cover this like easy like that. So I don't want any wires touching my nice engine stuff. Let's move it here. Right, looks good. Okay, so I'm on Sprog Sprog-Pi3 wireless network, broadcasting right from device. If somebody guys not familiar with this, but that's how it's doing. All right, cool. And now I'll start my let me put where is it? Here we go. I can put right now my phone, okay, image of my phone. It's capturing a screen of my phone, right? And I'm starting WiThrottle. One more time, I'm using WiThrottle right now. It's designed. I don't think so. We have any Android device. We can use Rob's phone, but so that's what you see on the phone. On my iPad, the image much bigger, of course, and I have probably twice more functions, buttons. I don't need to scroll. So advantages and disadvantages of the phone, obviously. So it's smaller device, but you have to scroll through the functions if you're operating a lot of sounds and different stuff. Okay, so I have six six functions, including lights. Now it's fully operated right now. I can select my engine. It's under address 3, and I'm setting up. Green indicates it's connected. We can go to the properties really guys in a second. Just move that stuff so I'm not gonna miss anything. Ooh. So the system is working right now. Again, I really want to make a cover. It's only for the presentation purposes. Yeah. Where's the engine? So we put that engine. There we go. Okay, one more comment about, well, actually I can move my face like to this area. Now you see that stand. That stand not exist anymore. The company, original German company, I bought that stand in 2000, maybe in München or 2099. One of the other city in Cologne, it was international train show, okay? And then Marklin bought it, and they really didn't do anything good with it. The prices was crazy. I purchased, the price was crazy for all days, but I thought I'm going to use it like full potentially, you know, potentially of means the features of everything. Yeah, it's paid off, but there are a few companies offering different stands, like small units with bearings, you know, on the track. Not like pretty as this, but it's good enough. All right, so here we go. Let me get my camera. Actually, we can use it. So now if we're going to properties of the settings, actually, you will see track power. When it's first time, again, I'm learning with you. It's in green. Actually, track power is in the letters in yellow. So we're going like this way. Track power is off. That's 100%. And actually, hold on, guys. Let me grab one thing. That shows us. See, there is no indicator anywhere on that unit, because it probably will be buried under layout or whatever. It will be hidden, but it's not necessary. I thought for like few minutes about it, but again, it will be on the other location and you will be in another room wirelessly connected. You're not gonna see it, but that's what I'm using. This is my ramp meter. My goodness, yes, and I'm connecting it here, and you will see no power. That's unit definitely, it's extra money of course, but that tells you exactly what's going on, and I definitely don't want to touch anything here. Yeah, so just be careful before I build the box. That's the reason I'm very careful right now with that electronic components. Yeah, it should be good. All right, so power is off, and now I'm switching to power on. Okay, see the letters change to green. Okay, and I'm still not seeing anything here. Hold on, that's a little bit weird. Power should be on. Hold on. No power. Interesting. Yeah, I have no power. Yeah, I know why, because I didn't connect my Sprog unit. That's good one. That's very good, Alex. Good job. Say, I'm too much cautious. Maybe it's good, maybe it's bad. And I'm talking too much sometimes. Okay, let's put it here, because definitely don't want to short anything. All right. That's a good one. Troubleshooting. I think I'm good on that troubleshooting thing. Figure out very quick. But the camera is maybe not catching what we need for sure to see that LED. It's kind of weird, the frequency it's catching. It's 14 volts right now, and you have no way to adjust the voltage output, okay? So just FYI. If you want something else, you just need a play. You probably need different power supply with adjustable voltage from like 12 to probably 18, not higher than this, because again, original Sprog, it's mostly for programming. Okay, so we good now. Lights on. Is it? Here I go. Let's start the engine. Actually, it was in the muting position. Okay. Okay guys, I'm just going to cut the power from the engine completely, because we need to go through the full starting operating procedure. It just got the power and I hit F8, so it didn't complete it. Okay, so let's see. I definitely don't need the light, and here we go. Here we go. That's it's supposed to be. Okay, so it's starting from starting diesel sequence. Okay, that's good. I cannot measure amperage because it's connected in parallel to the track, right? If it's going in series through the output, then I can measure it, amperage. The bottom is amperage. Again, ignore this. It's 14 volts. That's what we're measuring right now. That's what we need. All right. Now it's fully completed starting procedure. Okay. I'll turn the lights. Changing direction forward. Yes. Trust me, there are lights, front lights. I need to press, we can use without it. Now, here we go. Oi, oi, oi. Oh, I didn't put it right, sorry. There you go. I'm shifting down very quick, guys. Shouldn't do it like that. Just give you example. I'm not showing like the features of the decoder. I'm just showing you the features of the WiThrottle and that unit. Okay. And we're going to idle. Couple of effects, F4. Some other stuff, I guess. F6, I think it's ditch lights turning on, and when the horn blows, it's they alternating. Okay, F7. F9 is full throttle effect, so it's going to rave up RPM right now. And it's for disabling it. There we go. Bunch of additional effects on, again, 11, 12, 13. Oops. Oh, that's kind of cool. Oh, anyway, you got an idea. It's supposed to be 28 functions, yes. Up to 28. Bam, 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 bam. There are no sounds. But you can assign different functions, remap them anyway. Okay, guys, I think we'll be pretty much, let's just, the stopping, the quitting operating procedure. Here we go. So if I'm pressing F8 right now, some of them like releasing air. That's it for today, pretty much. You got an idea, and actually really want to take the power off right now. Track power. Here we go. See? Turns off. Because all that electronics make me a little bit nervous. Stuff sitting. Yeah, but that's only for demonstration purposes. Don't do it. Cover everything. This is actually a covered unit. I have another one less expensive. The ramp meter. It's just a board, but you need to mount it, and there's like a special hooks for all that stuff, right? Definitely, I'll make a box probably next week sometime. Show you what I did. Again, don't want to promise you. So I put the engine wrong a little bit because I set it up, and you see with the sound car just messed up a little bit. All right, John, how are you, man? CSX 8840, Bad Cobra, my man. Okay, I just checked the PiSprog site. Looks like they are also have a PiSprog Nano. Nano. That's smaller but does not include the programming track. It's me, guys, only me. I don't like those light versions on or anything. Yes, you'll save some money if we're going back to. I didn't put that Nano on our even web page so far. If somebody asks, yes, we'll definitely put it. I just put that stuff a few days ago. I like full version for everything, but again, it's me. It's crazy Russian style. Full. I like full. I like black Zimo Z21 full. The white is cool, but it has a lot of limitations. I like to have everything available. So yeah, you're saving obviously some money, but you're losing. If you need a program, the beauty of it, it's programming to me, okay? And some testing, of course, and so you don't need a computer. You don't need like huge monitor or computer all in one, all those wiring around, connection, USB, all that jazz, right? You just fire it up, hitting the monitor, or start running it right away with your phone or whatever. Okay, that's just my 10 cents. But yes, you saving money with this Nano. So if I'll give you guys a minute. If you have any questions, I'll try to answer. The video will process in about an hour. You watch it again if you first time you never see it. Kind of digest everything. Ask me a question. I will definitely answer you. And if we require another video, I'll do it. All right. Thanks for coming. Thanks for coming. Hey. One more time, my cooking channel in English only, AK Boost Barbecue. I'm doing Russian recipes in English. It will be a lot of fun. I'm getting subscribers right now. It will be on Twitch as well. Full is better, but yes, you are right. You don't want to be disappointed. Right, my man. If you just dedicate it, you have like kids layout, and you don't, and for like few years before they start going to advanced programming and stuff, they just want to run their simple layout. Sure, no problem. Get that inexpensive version. Get them their Androids, smartphones, iPhones, whatever, and they having fun. So they're not messing around with the programming. They're just running trains. Believe me, in 2 weeks, and you have the full version, they will come to you, and in 2 weeks or maybe 2 months, and hey, we need full version too. Yeah, so just me. Cool, guys. I'll see you tonight. Unfortunately, I don't have chance yesterday. If some of you watching my scale modeling stuff, I'm sorry, I don't have time yesterday just to do it. So we'll try to do it tomorrow probably. I have a car 135 platform. That's what I'm assembling right now. Pretty cool. That will be on Shop DCC channel. Shop DCC channel. Supposed to be yesterday. Sorry again, didn't happen. I think we'll do quick broadcast from the store. Rob has some items to show, okay? And I'll see you later tonight. Have a good one. Bye.